What's up, Payne gang? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. For those that are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Maricka Payne and I bring beauty content, lifestyle, vlogs to the YouTube platform. And for those who have been rocking with me, thank you so much and welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, definitely hit that subscribe button below and also the bell notifications so that you know when I upload next. So for today's video, I'm excited to do this video. I have gotten a collab with SULFUR8. For those that are not familiar with the products, I will place a picture here so that you can see. So in today's video, I'm going to be washing my hair with the SULFUR8 Deep Cleaning Shampoo. And then I'll also be using the Scalp Therapy Medicated Scalp Oil Serum. So with this scalp oil serum, this is actually a pre-shampoo treatment, so I'll be using this first. And then of course I have a few other products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to actually do a tutorial there. But for this video specifically, these are the two products that I'm going to be using for now. And then we'll get into the other stuff later on. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get the video started, and I hope that you guys enjoy. So I actually wasn't gonna talk through this part, but as I opened up the SULFUR8 Scalp Therapy, and I've never used this product specifically, but it comes with like a dripper. I wouldn't say a dripper. I don't really know what this is called. I'm not sure what this is called. This thingy, this dropper thingy. And this is what this is. And apparently it goes in this. Let me read the instructions. Shake well before use. It looks like the product is a little milky, so. Ooh. All right. Before shampooing your hair, apply a small amount in several areas. Rub in well and wait 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and place this into my hair, and then I'm gonna wait 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo it. Guys, I'm doing this like blind, basically, because I don't have my glasses on, because it just gives a glare on the camera. Hopefully this works out. SULFUR8, thank you so much for sponsoring this video today. I really do appreciate the collaboration, and hopefully we can work together in the future. Alright guys, so here is part 2 to this video. I'm going to be doing some box braids with my hair and using the SULFUR8 products. Once again, SULFUR8, thank you so much for sponsoring this video today. So you see here, I'm just sectioning off my hair. I'm going to start in the back here, and I'm going to section this piece into 2 pieces. And then fold that around so that it can stay up there on top of my head and I can work with the other piece. So here I'm going to be using the Lock and Twist Braid Butter by SULFUR8, and I'm going to go ahead and start placing that onto the piece of hair. And then I'm going to use the Anti-Dandruff Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion, and that will go on afterwards. And this is going to be my routine throughout the entire process of me doing my hair. So I'm going to make sure that product is locked in, and then I'm going to go ahead and rubber band that. I'm going to do the rubber band method, and this will be my method that I'm using moving forward on my entire head. So I'm going to go ahead and do the next piece here. And I'm going to make sure that, of course, that's parted the way that it should be. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and put in the products on my hair. And then, of course, rubber band this piece as well. And then once the whole head is, of course, rubber band, then that will be when I will start using the braiding hair. now that my hair is complete and I have rubber band the entire thing, and gosh, did it take a long time for me to do this. I actually did this within 2 days. I did this one day, and then I woke up and just started braiding my hair the next day. So I am using the Easy X pre-stretched antibacterial Dr. Braid hair. This is in the color 1, and it's weird because I had a video of me showing the products, and then like when I tried to go back in my camera and find it, I couldn't. So I don't have the actual picture of it, but I just got it from my local beauty supply store, and it's already, like I said, pre-stretched to the size that I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start braiding my hair down here, and then going ahead and just finishing my whole head. Once again, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and please leave me comments in the comment box below, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so you know when I upload next. I'm so happy that you all joined me today. God bless you, and much love to each of you.
Thank you.